Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural of New England. My name is Ian, and today I have an exceptional Ural gear up to share with you. This is a 2012 model in the Forest Fog color, and it's a one-owner bike. We originally sold this bike when it was new, and the original owner took excellent care of it. They were a very meticulous owner, as we'll see in this video. This video is going to be a condition overview of this Ural as we represent it once again here at Ural of New England. So you are just one click away from the availability and the pricing on our website, along with a long list of technical data about this bike. I encourage you to review that listing. It's at the top of the description below. You can just click on that and find all that information. We do offer vehicle transportation as well, so keep that in mind if you aren't local here in New England. But with all that being said, let's get into the overview. Starting our condition overview, I'll comment on the color right now as the sun just came out. This color is really cool, this Forest Fog. It is actually made up of equal parts of green, gray, and black. So depending on the lighting and sort of how you look at it, it's pretty cool. It's a very unique look. And overall, this bike, it's in just amazing condition as we're about to see. It does have a few accessories on it, including this sidecar fender rack with the seat cushion on there. It does have the added rear tractor seat here. Of course, it has the dual tractor seats, but I believe for this model year, they actually came with the front tractor seat. And then when the bike was new, you know, the rear seating package there was added. It also has our Ural NE sidecar rear bumper on there. And if we open the trunk actually has a mounted fire extinguisher, so that's awesome. There's also some goodies with it, the factory toolkit, the tonneau cover, which covers your sidecar here. And like I said, the original owner was very meticulous, and there's like some spare parts in there, like kind of like maintenance things, spark plugs, I believe some nuts and bolts, maybe crush washers, cotter pins, things like that. So just want to point that out. And this bike being a 2012, it is the last of the carbureted bikes. So for the Ural riders who prefer the carburetors, well, here you go. This thing is just, it's in amazing condition. You look around this, there's like no major corrosion or rust or dings or deep scratching. You can just tell it was very well cared for. And we can see here, 13,000 kilometers on it, which is around 8,000 miles. So not high mileage by any means. But it definitely, you know, it was ridden more than around the block. It was definitely ridden a little bit. And once again, it's just amazing the condition this thing is in. It also has these street tires on it. So these are the 19-inch rims. It is the two-wheel drive gear up, but they did the street-oriented tires. And man, is that an upgrade on these. They ride so smooth, so nice on the road once you have these. And they don't compromise a whole lot of off-road capabilities as well. For the majority of maybe like the dirt road or forest road riding, it's really gonna be just fine, but you're gonna have a way better experience on the road. We love the gear ups with these tires here at Ural of New England. It really changes how they ride quite a bit for the better on the road. They already ride great on the road, but especially with these tires, yeah, you got to experience it for yourself. You'll immediately feel the difference. So that is also a major perk of this bike. But I guess let's go around it now and we can get a little more picky. On our website, you can view the remaining tire and brake life and technical data like that, where we can see the sidecar tub, sidecar windscreen, the interior of the sidecar, the seat, the fender. I mean, we can even look inside the fenders here. You can see all the hardware is still nice and silver, and there's no like rust or anything like that. Seeing the sidecar fender here. We have the final drive unit there with the drive shaft, all shaft drive. And coming around to the shifter side here, the heel toe shifter. Once again, like all the little fasteners, everything is just nice and clean. There's even the fuel tank storage compartment there. It's all very clean. And the handlebar controls. Once again, like all the bolts for the clamps and everything, like it doesn't seem like this thing was even ridden in the rain over its life. It's literally that clean. So now that we've had a very thorough look around it, let's get it started so we can hear it idle. So we'll put the ignition on here. You can see the neutral light comes on there, and the battery light comes on, but that'll go off once it's running and charging. So now we'll give it a bump. Pretty much one turn of the starter and it fires right into life. These bikes do have the spotlight on the sidecar, which is awesome. Those, you can't really get those anymore, and these came with them standard, so that is pretty cool. Throttle response is excellent. It's just a very, very good, healthy running bike. So, like I said, if you are interested in this bike and you're not local here in New England, reach out to our team. We can give you the options for the vehicle shipping. Make sure to review the listing on our website, and then reach out to our team, if you have additional questions besides. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for future Ural content.